virgin greaser. Yeah, my hair is a fucking mess because I'm going to be doing like a hair tutorial with Murray Superior, and I'm going to be doing like a tutorial like with a skin fade Pompadour. So my hair's all wet, and we're going to do is like slick it all back. Okay, after doing so, that's when you start applying the Murray Superior Pomade. I have done a hair product review, so I'll drop that down below. So yeah, let's begin. It's got a nice scent as well. You want to like rub it really quick, because it has like bits and stuff like that, and compared to like Dax, it's really like straightforward, just like new nail as well. It's just Dax is fucking like hard work. What we'll do, is push that forward, so that way you can get like as much as like the Murray's like in there, because that's how us greasers like it. Do you know what I mean? Mind you, because I like the skin fade, I won't have like any like hassle like doing like Sidepart Pompadour for the time being. And now my hair looks like Bart Simpson at the moment. Gonna like wipe it on my jeans. Maybe messy, but that's how us greasers are like. Now for the comb. Like before, slick it all back. You will have like bits of hair like coming out, but it doesn't prevent you like from being bald and stuff like that. Actually, going to put it in the iPad somewhere, so I'm much near the mirror, then I'll get back right to you. Okay, the reason I'm looking over there because I've got a mirror there, so I will try my best to like, do as much as on here as well. Alright, so Jesus Christ, bits of lumps of Murray's is on there. Of course, bear in mind when it comes to doing our Pompadour with Murray's, you won't get the same effect like how you would like with like hair products like Royal Crown or Black and White. So make a note on that. Fucking hell. Alright, so next you want to like fire and durate your side part. I know it makes it like messy again, but that's the only way like to find like the side part like properly. There you go, like that. As you can see, you can see like the hairline as well, like for a side part. Then afterwards, we'll like slick it back. I was going to say into like a DA, but with like a skin fade, or a zero fade, which is the better way to say it. You got no chance to do like a DA with that. But if you have like thick hair, then you can do a DA with it. I'm not really like finished like this part, so I'm gonna do like the tricky part there. Sorry, I had to like redo this bit. Alright, so keep that separate like for the time being. Ugh, that bit's poking out, I'll deal with that in a minute. Now you want to like do it like that, and then comb it back. Like hey, with a DA, if you have like thicker hair on the back and the sides. Okay, now back to that part. Okay, with that part done now. Now for the fringe or bangs, whatever you want to like call it. You want to like give it like a swirl motion. Like if you do like square and what have you, it just wouldn't look good like for a Sidepart Pompadour board slash skin fade. We'll like give it like a swirl motion like that. Bear in mind though, it's not the sort of thing to do like when you're in a rush. Like for something like a heavy like hair product like Murray's as an example. Because if you're in like a rush like for work and whatnot, you wouldn't like do a good job with that. But if you want, you can always use like the I don't know what the fuck it's called, the thin teeth. there you go. That is pretty much how to do a zero fade Sidepart Pompadour. I must say it's actually like behaved itself today. Of course, you will have like moments where it's like bad hair days and whatnot, where your hair's completely shit and stuff. Um, but if you got like curly hair, it's better you like tilt it like around there to achieve like a Sidepart Pompadour. Also, we can't have pompadours like Elvis Presley and whatnot. Uh, but yeah, but I'd say it's about like 8 out of 10, I suppose. So it's pretty much been a good boy. And of course, bear in mind that when you use like Murray Superior, you will get some like lumps in there. So it is what it is, like the beeswax and some shit like that. So I want to give like a shout out to Joseph Avo. He does a lot of good Elvis Presley hairstyles, so I'll drop his link down below so you can check it out. And I hope you guys had a very good Christmas, and you all take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.